Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus multiplication and division and minus. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have 4 answers. A is 3, B is 9, C is 10 and D is 15. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we will apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket, which is this one. So first we will write 3 plus multiply by 15 divided by 3, which is equal to 5. And minus 3, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 15 divided by 3 equals to 5. Now move forward. Step number 1, we have solved exponent part and we have solved the parenthesis part. Now we have to go for the order of operation and exponent part. But in our expression, we do not have any number which has the power. So we can skip this step. Now move forward to step number 3, which is division and multiplication or multiplication and division. So what we have to do, we have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming. First we have 4 divided by 2. 3 plus 4 divided by 2 equals to 2. Multiply by 5 minus 3, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference like 4 divided by 2 equals to 2. Now move forward. Again, we have to go left to right to solve all multiplication and division. So now we have this multiplication 2 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 3 plus 2 multiplied by 5 equals to 10 minus 3. We will write here. And here we have to give the reference 12 2 multiplied by 5 equals to 10. Now move forward. We have solved the division and multiplication. Now for addition and subtraction, we will move forward. So now we have to go again left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 3 plus 10, which is equal to 13. And minus 3, again we have to write as it is. We will write each step, we will solve each step in each line. So now we have 13 and now we have two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 10. So the answer of the given expression is 10. If you see the answer list, so answer C is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand that how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.